Hey guys, this is Rob over at Arvidsson's, bringing you another video on our Caldera line of spas. Today we're going to be filling the Niagara in the Palatine store. So the first thing we're going to need is a garden hose. Now, here at the Palatine store, we're on a well. If you're on a well at home, it may be smart to come on in and pick up one of these pre-filters here. This is going to help take out metal, iron, and any other contaminants in the water that we don't want in there. So we throw this, along with our pre-filter, right down into the filter compartment. Then we hit the water. Now, we're gonna let the tub fill. This is gonna take several hours, and you wanna let it fill through the filter compartment the whole time. The reason we do this is to prevent an airlock. This way, all the equipment and all of the jets fill before the main of the tub. If water starts to come out of the front of the filter compartment, that's totally okay. Don't worry about it. It means that the equipment is already full. So now our hot tub's full. We know that because our water line is just above the topmost jet in the water. Now, we need to turn the tub back on. So we're gonna go back over to the sub panel. We're gonna flip on our 30 and then our 20. The order on that matters. Always make sure you do your 30 first, otherwise the tub may not come back on the right way. If you did everything right, you should notice a few things. A, the tub's starting to bubble. That means that the water's moving through the equipment and the equipment's full. That's a good sign. Next, the control panel is going to go through a boot sequence. This process can take it a few minutes, but once it's done, you'll see there, it goes back to the temperature screen along with all of the options being fully available. Now that we know the water's circulating, we can add some chemical. So, what we like to add initially, just to kick things off, is a little bit of stain and scale, and it's really just no more than a squirt. And we like to add a little bit of the natural enzyme. Once you're done with that, let the hot tub circulate for the rest of the evening, and then bring a sample to your local Arvidsson store the next day.